He made a mistake yesterday. A mistake was made, that's what they say. She wrote a letter to her friend. The letter was written, that's how it ends. They built the house on the hill. The house was built, standing there still. Who burnt the cake? It doesn't matter now. The cake was burnt, that's all we know somehow. He burnt the cake, it wasn't me. Impassive voice, the doer we don't see. The focus shifts from who to what was done. That's how the passive voice is spun. I am writing this song today. This song is being written, hear what I say. They are cleaning the classroom floor. The floor is being cleaned, nothing more. She is teaching grammar with care. Grammar is being taught everywhere. I will clean the car tomorrow. The car will be clean, no need for sorrow. They will send the package soon. The package will be sent before noon. She will finish the project tonight. The project will be finished by first light. When we shift our words this way, we change the story that we say. Sometimes who did it doesn't count. It's what was done that we recount. The passive voice can hide or show. It's all about what we want them to know.